On today's podcast, we'll be talking about standardizing for consistent safety protocols. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Having sorted your items, set them in logical order, and shined your workplace, the next step is to standardize. This fourth pillar of the 5S methodology is where your previous efforts are put into regular practice, making sure that you're consistent in safety protocols across your facilities. As with all our tips, the following is not an end-all be-all starting point, so be sure that all OSHA and other facility-specific guidelines are observed first. With that said, here are 5 steps to get your 5S methodology standardization in motion. Number 1, documented procedures. Standardize starts with establishing the best practices discovered during the sort, set in order, and shine phases. Clear step-by-step procedures serve as a roadmap for staff, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding safety. Number 2, training and onboarding. Standardized procedures should become part of the onboarding process for new hires. Training sessions for existing staff can reinforce and adapt these procedures as necessary, ensuring that everyone is equipped with the knowledge to maintain a safe work environment. Number 3, visual aids. Use signs and labels to make your standardized practices visible. These aids are constant reminders for your staff, ensuring that team protocols are being followed consistently. Number 4, regular audits. It's crucial to check how well the standard procedures are followed regularly. This could be through routine inspections or formal audits. The goal is to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Last but not least, number 5, a feedback loop. Encourage employees to provide feedback on existing procedures. Their hands-on experience can offer valuable insights into how processes can be fine-tuned for better safety and efficiency. Standardize aims to ensure that the excellent work done in the first 3 steps becomes the norm rather than the exception. By developing consistent safety protocols, Standardize not only enhances safety, but also ensures its long-term sustainability. Next week, we're going to examine the last official S of the 5S methodology, sustain. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.